Here it is. Save at the pump. 32 mpg highway. Are you interested in a simply wonderful car? Then take a look at this wonderful SUV. Safety features include ABS, traction control, curtain airbags, passenger airbag, daytime running lights. Oh, and did you notice that it's generously equipped with Bluetooth, power locks, power windows, auto, air conditioning,